Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer. This is one of our 7x14s. We build true off-road trailers as they have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath them, and they're meant for multi-use. They're insulated, windows, power, AC, whole lot of goodies on them. So we'll go through all of that right now. Again, this one is in our 7x14 size. It does have a 7-foot interior height in it, so if you guys have a 2-seater UTV, they should fit in here no problem. It does have our white blackout package. You guys can see everything's blacked out instead of silver. We do have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard here in the front as well, and then you've got nice diamond plate wrapped corners. Front generator box and platform doesn't come with a generator, but it's generator ready, and you've got a place for that to ride and store. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler as well, great for anti-theft purposes. And then you've got that nice twist lock plug right there on the front. Now coming over here, side door's been moved back a little bit, so if you guys want to do a build out in here, you'll have some room up there for cabinets or whatever. You also have the RV lock and cam bar, and again, a step off the side door. These trailers sit up tall. They're a little bit over 10 feet in total height, and again, you've got that 19 inches worth of ground clearance, so that step comes in pretty handy when you're getting in and out. Exterior GFI outlet, that's that little box that you guys see right there. And then two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, a 32-inch Mudterrain tire, black American racing wheel, and then you've also got a nice black diamond plate fender to go along with that. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back there. That's what you guys see back there hanging down. That's that extra stability that you might want if you guys decide to drop from your truck and camp and do your sort of thing. Party lights on the outside here, and then we also have load lights here in the back, so you guys will have some great exterior light off the side and back of your trailer. And then we do the all aluminum roof rack and ladder. Gives you guys a additional storage space on top, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed up there. Ramp door, of course, you can load and unload your toys, and then we also do the rear deck option on it, so you guys can use it as a ramp or put those stabilizer jacks down, make it a deck, and cook out, have some exterior space off the ground to hang out and do your thing. Interior, we insulate the walls and the ceiling, and then it's all finished out, so you've got a nice finished out product on the interior here. Spin around this way. We use our Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is a great durable floor. It's a hard, almost plastic kind of surface, if you guys will. You can see what that looks like there. Underneath is Maxx, which is a water resistant product, and that's on the underneath side of the trailer. So a much better product than doing a wood floor. We do a couple of windows in here. These are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They're tinted, they're lockable, so good versatility there. You've also got an overhead maxx air roof vent. And then we've got a couple different power options for you guys. We've got right here a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's a great little feature because that's going to run those outside lights for you guys. It's also going to run your interior puck lights in here. So you've got, looks like 4 of these guys. So you can have light on the inside and outside of the trailer without having to be hooked up to your generator or a truck. And then we also have, of course, 30 amp service, which is that twist lock plug right there on the front. And that's your breaker box right there. That's going to bring all your 110 power in, and it will run your overhead AC unit. It's also going to run your 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights, and it's also going to run your 4 interior outlets and your 1 exterior GFI outlet. So it gives you guys some places to plug some stuff in, do your thing. You can see we've also got 4 D-rings in the floor, so you've got some tie down points. Here's a better shot for outlets for you guys. You've got 2 here on your passenger wall, 1 on your driver's wall, 1 on the front, and then you've got the exterior GFI as well. So here it is. Again, we've got 7x14. That's our box size. So you guys have 7 feet wide, 14 feet long, 7 feet tall. You're gonna have about 6'6" at your rear ramp door. Interior dimensions, we usually lose a couple inches as well. So your interior dimensions will be somewhere around 6'9", 6'10" by 13. 10, 13, 9, somewhere around there. So it gives you guys a better idea for that. I believe this trailer weighs 3,000 pounds. It's going to give you guys about a 4,000 pound payload capacity. Go to the website and verify that. We'll have the exact specs on there. Again, go to coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. If you guys aren't here, no worries. Give us a call. We ship literally every day. We can get you a shipping quote to get one of these awesome trailers delivered right to your door. It's a very simple and easy process. So again, coloradotrailersinc.com. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, you guys have a great day.